Yo, what's up traders? So welcome to a new video. And in yesterday's video I showed you guys the price was over here, and I told you guys there's it's likely at 60% that it would go down. There is a chance that it would go up and stay basically and stays in the zone, but my prediction is that it would break this trend line and it would go downwards. And that happened today. I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame right now. So it broke out of the channel, it went downwards, and now it's in basically my zone. So this is really interesting what will happen right now. As you can see over here, the RSI is also a bit oversold. So I think in the short term we will see that the price would go to the upside, but and then it's really interesting what will happen next. It could go to the upside and then do not make any higher highs. So when it doesn't close above this zone over here, then chances are that it would go downwards even more. But this is a zone that I drew a long time ago, over a week ago, and now it's in the zone. So basically this is a really interesting situation right now when we look at the Bitcoin, because like I said in the previous video, it's really dependent on the Bitcoin. As you can see, it also made a huge drop. So it was consolidating a bit over here. I said it has to cross this zone over here, but it didn't. It went downwards, huge drop, and it also retraced a bit. As you can see, we call this a wick. So it went downwards, the price was over here, and let me go to the hourly. So last hour it went to the downside, it went up, closed over here. So this is a nice pin bar, how we call it. It's really interesting right now what will happen. We have about 50 minutes or 2 hours and 50 minutes, and then this candle will close. As you can see, Bitcoin, I told everyone that it would go even more to the downside 21st of November, and as you can see, it did. So in my opinion, like I said, we need to wait for it, what it will do. I think that it would consolidate over here, and then once it has crossed this trend line, I'm not sure 100% of course, but there's a chance that it would go to the upside. But it's really dependent on the upcoming few hours and what we'll see next. And the same applies for crypto.com. As you can see, it went really hard to the downside, made a nice pin bar. On the hourly, it's really oversold. This is a nice zone. So if you're doing dollar cost averaging, this is a nice spot to be in. It's a nice price. So don't wait. And this is not financial advice, of course, but like I said, if you're doing dollar cost averaging, so you're buying every single time when it goes to the downside or even when it goes to the upside, this is a nice spot. Maybe it could down even more, but like I said, this is really interesting. So if you want to know more about crypto.com, if you want to invest in crypto.com, there's a link in the description. And if you sign up for crypto.com, we both get $25. So don't miss out. I'll see you in the next one.